Health Novo presents Sushruta, our health awareness channel.
There is a common question and a common joke whether obesity runs in family. And the joke is nobody runs in family, so obesity. But it is absolutely after the researchers found that obesity runs in family. What does that actually mean? There are certain abnormal genes are passed on to the progeny. Now, there is something called in medical language as autosomal dominant. What does that mean? It means now if the father and mother, one of them carrying an abnormal gene, that can pass on to, say, if there are two children out of that family, one of them would be sufferer while one will be without any abnormal gene. So that 50% of the progeny may have chance to acquire that gene. Now, what does that gene do? Now, that gene works on the hormones of those affected people, where they give them excessive appetite and slow metabolic rate. Now, that leads to obesity. And this is how the whole thing goes on, and that's why it is called as it runs in family. What actually happens is, again, the person who harbors that abnormal gene, if he has a bread of 100 calories, he gets all those 100 calories. While a person who does not have that abnormal gene, and when he has the same bread of 100 calories, he may have 20 or 30 calories. 70 calories are thrown out from his body. So that's how, even if the person who consumes small quantity being on diet program, but they get maximum calories than those who eat the double the quantity than a person who harbors that gene.